When we think about design or we think about UAL, we don't actually think about the research and the inspiration and all the process that goes behind it. We always think about the final outcome. My name is Jasmine and I am from Mumbai, India. I am a multidisciplinary designer and my work focuses on bridging together visual research with humanities to create meaningful community experiences. We use things like design prototyping, mapping with storytelling, and visual research to try and solve a more complicated problem that you might find in your community. When it came to picking the course with the dual degree point, I thought that having a master's in arts as well as a master's in engineering would be very beneficial for any future prospects because it bridges together many industries. Some of the things that as international students, you come to a new country, you're not quite sure how certain administration works, what the system is like. UAL just gives you a straightforward answer, a direct response to what you need to do in order to achieve that. UAL has tons of resources. Use all the workshop spaces, talk to all the teachers, use the one-on-one support, use academic support. Approach any projects with openness, depth, and sensitivity. You just need to try everything.